morning. We're gonna make a yummy snack this morning. We're using bananas, peanut butter, and Hershey's sugar-free chocolate. That's right, Hershey's sugar-free. We're going to melt it in this 4-cup in the microwave. I have a chocolate melter, but Ray used it last, and I don't know what he did with the insert, so we're going to use it in the microwave. And I'm using this peanut butter. It's a no-stir natural peanut butter spread. So this is a yummy snack and bananas. That's it. So let me pan you down, just like that. And what we're going to do is spread a little bit of peanut butter between the bananas. This banana was a little older. I went shopping this morning and picked up another bunch of bananas because we like bananas. I love bananas. I like my bananas green. And what we're going to do is after we spread a little bit of peanut butter between them, we're going to freeze it for an hour. Well, here in Maine, it's like 28 degrees, so I could stick them outside if I want. So what we're going to do, get something off the banana here, we're just going to slice them, just like this. It's going to taste yummy. And then we're going to dip them in chocolate. That'll even taste better now, won't it? Just like this. Take that little end off. This is, I call a sandwich spreader, because you can cut and it spreads. And what we're going to do is we're going to put a little bit of peanut butter like this. Whoops. And we're going to put it in between like this, just like that. Do a couple more. Then I'm going to put them on a plate, and I'm going to freeze it for an hour. And then I'll come back and show you the next step. Yum. Be so good. I know what I'll be having for an afternoon snack today. Just like that. So I'm going to bring you back when I get them done and they're frozen. Okay, I'm back and I have this all melted. I'll probably have to melt some more, but let's get started and I'll show you what's going on. I thought I started. I'm sorry. I have two right here. I have the melted chocolate. I have this little candy spoon. What we're gonna do is we're gonna go in. I got a banana piece there that shouldn't be there. Just like this. I'm gonna coat the banana. I really wished I had my candy melt chocolate. It would be a lot easier. But hey, you gotta work with sometimes with what you got, and that's it, period. Oops, I don't want it to get it too close. There. Then you're gonna put another one on, just like that. And I'm wondering, gosh, I got a lot of banana pieces here. On the freezer, I guess they kind of break apart. I wonder if we do this, if it would be easier. I don't think so. Maybe. Maybe. Then we'll get the excess off right just like this. And then we'll take the spoon and go just like that. So when I get them all done, I'll bring you back and show you the final results. Okay, if this was to happen again, it probably never would. This made the exact amount of the bananas I cut, and I had no clue. So one bag would do you 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, be 28 slices with peanut butter in between. And there you have it right there. And you see, you can even take that and put it on the side of your pan, which works really well. Shake any excess off. And there you have it. And now what we're gonna do is we need to refrigerate these for 10 to 15 minutes, and then I'm gonna bring you back. I'm gonna clean up a little and then I'll bring you back. Okay, folks, it's all done and out of the refrigerator. And I'm just trying to get a piece of paper towel here so I can try one. But doesn't that look good and yummy? Well, I poked my finger on this one, so I'm gonna have that one. But doesn't it look good? So here we go, I'm gonna bring it up. Hi, I'm back. Get the plate away from me. Oh, it smells really good. Maggie Mae's having a fit here. Banana, peanut butter, chocolate. Can't get any better than this. Oh, so good. This would make a wonderful gift. I might make my auntie some in the nursing home. I'm gonna go one day this week, I think. So good. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please hit that bell. It will give you all notifications when I put out a new video. I try to put a new video out every day except for Sunday, and that's my day of rest. So I hope you enjoy these wonderful snacks, and God bless, stay safe, and you never know what's going to be on my videos. Bye now. We'll see you tomorrow.